On previous episode, I crossed the gate of Tijuana to Mexico, had lunch beside the beach, and walked a little at the streets of Rosarito. The line to go back at the gate of the United States took 2 hours. I camped for the night somewhere at Mission Bay and enjoyed the next morning paddleboarding at the beautiful bay before heading back to Arizona.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
Hey guys, good morning. I am at Four Peaks Wilderness attempting to hike the Brown Summit. This is a short trail, although it is difficult. Kinda similar to Flatiron, but I'm not sure which one is more difficult. I came here yesterday afternoon to camp here, but unfortunately I forgot my shoes, so I have to drive back home. So today I wake up really early, 4 a.m. I feel sleepy right now and drove for 2 hours just to get here. This trail has been beautiful so far. There are lots of purple or lavender lupine flowers and different other kinds of wildflowers. A lot of log blocking on the trail, so you have to reroute a little bit and then be back on the trail. Not a big problem. I have read trail reports yesterday and the other day that there was a lot of bugs, but I haven't experienced bugs yet. Specifically ladybugs, I've seen them, but not too much, probably because it's too windy today. Well, tolerable windy, which is great because it's not hot. So let's get going.
Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
is crazy. I'm hugging the wall right now. And it's just vertical up and there's not much steps. Look up there. Well, the two guys in front of me got through this. I can go through this. Only thing is, they're taller. I am short. My legs couldn't reach some spots. It took me a while to get up here. That spot is bad. I was having panic attack there. Oh. I'm almost up there, but I'm just resting here. Trying to calm myself down. Snake was nice. It warned me before I stepped on the trail. It rattled a little bit, then passed through. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that lake looks good. Higher up here. I am now at the top of the Browns Peak. Amazing. The 360 view here. You hear all those birds, and they ain't lying. There's a lot of ladybugs up here. I'm gonna go to that lake later. Oh, it bites. Get off me. Ooh, I found a treasure. There's money. Dirty Bag Gypsies Adventure Club, Arizona Hiking Group. I don't know if I want to open inside. I'll just probably leave it there. There. Hide the money. So I am currently at the Browns Peak, and this is the highest one in the 4 peaks. Right there is the Brothers Peak, then Sister Peak, and the last one is the Amethyst. I am ready to head down now because these ladybugs just keeps on biting. They're mean. But I'm gonna give you again another 360 view of the Browns Peak. So high. Oh crap. That was intense. I think climbing down is more sketchier and scarier than climbing up. And that is Browns Peak. It has 4.70 mile out and back with 2,000 feet elevation gain. The height of the Browns Peak is about 4,700 feet. Not exactly sure. I cannot see my phone now. It's dying. So I'm gonna head back to the car, make food, and then head straight to Theodore Roosevelt Lake. It was cool 70s up in the 4 peaks. And down here at Theodore Roosevelt Lake, it is 101 degrees. There was a leftover logs on a campsite I pulled into, and they're really thick, so I'm trying to cut it. I already cut the one log. There's two more there, and there's one big one here. That was easy. I originally planned on paddleboarding at Roosevelt Lake today. Unfortunately, I didn't find any rentals close by. But there's a national monument, so I checked that one out. I hiked up a paved trail going to the lower cliff dwelling where the remnants of the Salada culture remains to this day. It was amazing how it was preserved, including some of the items that they used long time ago. The upper cliff dwelling will be open on November, and I plan on coming back to check that one. After visiting the Tonto National Monument, I head on this lake to try to fish, but mostly relax and read my book. And that is my adventure for this week. See you on the next one. There's a fishing kayak over here. Nobody's here. Don't mind if I borrow.
Second